Ndewo kekime ahambu ijoma kubwe ene wetara nkuzi Igbo. Ta anyị continue. We asking where are you? We've learned the name of places and you can use that in answering the questions. So when I say kedebe no, you say nona and you say where you are. Okay? Kedebe no, nona somewhere. Kedebe kekime ahambu ijoma kubwe. Okay. Kedebe no, n'ụlọ. That means, where are you? I'm in the house. No, I'm in the house. Olo is house, okay, or home. I'm at home, I'm in the house. Kedebe no n'usekwu, I'm in the kitchen. Usekwu, kitchen. Kedụ ebe ino. Kedụ ebe, together, is the where. I is you. And no is doing the job of are, okay? But it can do the job of is, are, that's to be. Kedụ ebe ino, where are you? Nno n'usekwu. Nno n'ezi, I'm outside. So that's like literally outside the house. Maybe in the back, at the front, the yard, the garden, okay? Where are you? Kedụ ebe ino? I'm out in the yard. I'm out in the garden. Kedụ ebe ino? Nno n'ezi. Ezi. Nno n'ezi. Kedụ ebe ino? Where are you? So if you're going to ask about somebody else, you just replace the I because I is the you. So if I'm going to ask about Choma, it's going to be Kedụ ebe Choma no. Okay. Kedụ ebe Nkechi no. Kedụ ebe Chinedu no. Okay. Kedụ ebe ino? Nno n'ezi. Kedụ ebe ino? Nno n'ọrụ. What do you think that means? I'm at work. Well done. I'm at work. Kedụ ebe ino? Nno n'ọrụ. Ọrụ is work. Kedụ ebe ino? Nno na ụlọ enyi m. Gịnị bụ enyi? What's enyi? Friend. So what do you think that sentence means? I'm at my friend's house. Okay? I'm at my friend's house. Kedụ ebe ino? Nno n'ụlọ enyi m. Nno n'ụlọ Chinedu. I'm in Chinedu's house. Nno n'ụlọ Chika. I'm in Chika's house. Nno n'ụlọ Erimma. I'm in Erimma's house. Nno n'ụlọ Okeke. I'm in Okeke's house. Nno n'ụlọ enyi m. I'm in my friend's house, or I'm at my friend's house. Okay, so what have you learned today? How to ask where are you? How do you ask where are you? Kedụ ebe ino? Well done. And how do you say I'm in the house? Nno n'ụlọ. If you're at school, nno n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Work, nno n'ọrụ. Nno n'ụlọ enyi m. Oh, daalụ rinne. Now, if you want more, you would like a coaching, you want to join the group coaching that I do, which is starting in about a week's time, check out igbostudy.com because it's starting real soon. igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Okay, I teach adults in a group. I also teach children, but children have a different class. I teach people in a group and they learn Igbo in 12 weeks. Okay. Daalụ rinne, ngwanụ ka ọ dị.